possibly mixed with freezing rain in the evening, then freezing rain, possibly mixed with rain and snow overnight. Lows in the upper 20s. Chance of precipitation 90%. Sunday, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of snow, possibly mixed with freezing rain in the morning, then a slight chance of snow in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-30s. Chance of precipitation 20%. Sunday night, colder. Mostly cloudy with a 20% chance of snow. Lows around 15. Monday, partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 20s. Monday night, mostly clear. Lows around 13. Tuesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 30s. Again, the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area for today, mostly cloudy. A 40% chance of freezing rain and snow in the morning. Highs in the mid-30s. North winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. This is weather radio station KEC65 Minneapolis, St. Paul. On a frequency of 162.55. The current time.
The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.
Now the forecast for